today we're going to talk about CCRL and how we maintain our records to make sure that we get our certification up to date and everything stays on point here in the lab. So, Haley, what does CCRL stand for?
It stands for Concrete and Cement Reference Laboratory.
So they come out and inspect us every couple of years, and then we have an annual mix that we do here in the lab as well that they make sure our numbers and our results are on point. And then there is a lot that we do on a regular basis to stay up to standard and get our certification, be ready for our certification when they come out. And some of those things are we record our temperature in the laboratory in our water tanks on a daily basis. So we have a recorder, like tracker, I guess it is, that it just like automatically records the temperature, and then we also cross-reference that with what our thermometers say. We have some very specific and accurate temperature recorders that we just cross-reference, make sure everything balances out, and we keep a book that just tracks our logs every day with temperature. Then we do like weekly checks on different things through the lab, like our compression machine, that's checked weekly. It's cleaned and checked before cleaned after every use, but checked before to make sure the head is moving well. And then it's oiled per ASTM every few months on the movable head portion, and then beyond that, so we do our own in-house checks and calibrations with it. And then beyond that, we have an outside source come in and check it annually. And so CCRL is kind of that umbrella that makes sure we're doing our part, that we even have a third party coming in, checking it, and then they come in and also check it and inspect our records. So it's very important just so that so that our clients are confident in our work, so that we know we're giving accurate and precise results to the best of our ability, and also maintaining the lab quality, but just also so that it's running efficiently. You know, we're not having major spikes or surprises, because we're monitoring it on a regular basis. So yeah,
Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, ding that bell for notifications. Go Concrete!
beat asphalt.